once again, no, continuation sa ukat. This is the last treatment sessions, the 10th treatment session. So here's the diagnosis of the doctor, no. Again, here, again, mo nila ko mapakita, no. Again, faster kay improvement. Again, faster kay improvement nga iPhone 8 treatment and management. Together with the Arwin ergometer, the cardio, no, here's the Jumel, no. Again, pinakikita kay Jumel, then, ang wife nyo, yung dad, no, nga napareha sa Jumel, no, nga naapoy oxygen machine, no. Mga takos ng ispiran nga, mga lagi na nga ito, swayan lang, and then, together with the prayer, no, again, mga lagi nga ganahan ko nga ma-share sa katawhan, no, nga diligid ila di Arwin, no. So again, mga itong kukuhan, anyway, at isang mga ito sa ukat, no. So here's the next management, no. Again, we done the katong cardio, the Arwin ergometer. This is Arwin, yeah. So again, Arwin here. Most trusted name. You can sa Google type na kag Arwin ergometer. Here, no. Again, the endorser. Then the next one, mato primero, no, is the Bible, no. So here again, education of the human anatomy. Then this one is the hot packs and TENS, no. Again, to vasodilate the artery. So here, sukat niya. Pakita na ko ninyo. This is our last treatment sessions. And then, kini all the major muscles na. Again, all the major muscles. O, maoriginita lang. Yung balik-balik to for how many, no? Again, this is the last money iPhone 8 kaya ukad, no? Nga, siya mo na perfect. And then, perfect. Buta na to perfect. Ito kayo mapila gitang marathon. Champion, no? Anak ka unique atong brain, no? So here, then, in 8 minutes, no? So, kusga na to gamay. Then, here, kay 10 minutes, siya, intellectual property. Then, the next one is about the lotion and alcohol. Here, lotion and alcohol. Then, what's the effect of the major muscles, no? So, again, exercise, musculoskeletal, obesity, cardiovascular, endocrine, emotional, no, you know. Then, elderly, prevent, no, again, for women and disabled. Again, it's up to you, yeah. Again, this is from the book, Gilaksi ginala ko ninyo, from Dr. Bradom, again, thank you, Dr. Bradom, no. So, again, mo lagi nang kay, mo apply mo lagi tag trabaho, muta na to, what is your job description, no. Again, mo na kung ikuha ang job description sa heart. But, na siya tension and break and continuous without stopping. That's sa bike, wa pa in the whole world, no? E kana lagi mong bike. Pwede kayo mong biking, pero saka kas bukid, no? Uphill 1 hour. Ayaw i-include ang downhill, no? Kaya wa man na siya tension. Mao na nga sakit mo. Ug mag-run ka, paguyod og ligid nga 5 kilograms. Anya, no stopping, bahala. Agi ng iro ug ang kuan sa flight, ang auto. Mao na siya. Pura sa tension, no? Ang Arwin ergometer with that, no? And now sa Arwin ergometer, this is the casing, no? Mo na permit na. Now into the Enchanted Kingdom, no? This is SpongeBob. Again, this is our last sessions. Then kumaya na, sumuna to tanan, and together with the weights, no? Katong gasolina. Again, dyan ibalik ka sa plyometrics ni Ukad, no? Again, thank you. And together with the thirsty here, kaya lagi na ipalit mo og tambal, ipalit na lang thirsty fruit. Again, thank you.